Hello everyone. Today, I am going to show you how to recover old Heyday account. First, open the Heyday app on your device. The game will usually start with a brand new farm at level 1. Do not worry, this does not mean your old farm is gone. It just means you are not signed into the account that was connected to it. On the top left corner, tap the Settings button. In the Settings menu, you will see options for connecting the game to a Supercell ID, Facebook, or Google Play if you are on Android, or Game Center if you are on iOS. Your farm was most likely saved to one of these services. If you remember using a Supercell ID, tap the button that says Supercell ID. Then choose Log In. Enter the email you used before and confirm with the verification code they send you. Once you log in, the game will ask if you want to load your old farm. Tap Yes, and your farm will be back. If you connected the farm to Facebook, just tap the Facebook button and sign in. The same goes for Google Play or Game Center. Once connected, the game should show your old farm. Thanks for watching.